Hi, my name is Avanti. I recently completed my data analytics course with Fortray Global Services Limited. I come from an IT development background and I took a career break for a childcare. When I was planning to get back to the corporate world, I was looking for the organizations who would offer me data analytics courses, and that's how I came across Fortray. I have interacted with many people from the Fortray across different teams, and I must say that they all have been super helpful. They are really friendly and they support you in every possible way. I recently secured a job as a junior data analyst with the Publica Group. And thanks to Fortray for helping me build the confidence which is needed to project my technical work as well as clear the competency based interviews. They do provide you a lot of hands on projects which helps you build confidence on your technical skills, and that's what nowadays the recruiters and the industry needs, that you need to show them your work. And Fortray does provide you with a lot of project which I really liked about them. Other than the technical skill sets, they also help you with the placement. They do the mock interviews, they advise you where you can improve your interviewing skills, and they also help you with marketing your CV, securing interviews, and then how to go about the interviews. So, overall, I had a smooth selling experience with Fortray. They have helped me find my first job after a career break, and I'm grateful to them for that. Thank you.